How to block Facebook email notifications. To do so, first of all, you need to make sure that you have updated version of Facebook application. Once you check that, simply launch your Facebook application and make sure you have logged into your account. Once you are on your Facebook home page, there you will see menu button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. From here, scroll down, there you will see settings and privacy. Go through it and select settings. Now, again scroll down, there you will see notifications under preferences. You need to go through it. Now make sure that mute push notification is toggled off. Or if you want to make specific notification block, then simply select the area like I'm selecting updates from friends. Simply make sure that it is toggled off in email or SMS, wherever you want. You just have to toggle that button off. In this way, you can easily block Facebook email notifications on your device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.